All right, it's Michael Dance, Gearhead Live, and these are some of the cars we have here at the show. There's another Road Runner.
Logan, you can't walk off. You gotta stay close. There's a Road Runner in the back. I know.
How's it going?
Good.
Gearhead Live.
Let's go see some more.
How you doing?
Excellent. How are you?
All right.
Having fun.
All right, another Road Runner. This is cool. Hey, look, it's only 17,000. We're on the back side of the show right here. Yeah, how's it going? Okay. Everybody's selling stuff. Got more vendors this year. There's car cover and well, the California car cover people. Oh yeah, we remember this car. Hey, how you guys doing?
Doing great.
How's the show today?
Doing it's wonderful. Enjoying the sun. Getting better.
All right. Hey, remember I shot your car not the last show, but the show before that. Are you Beck?
Yeah.
Oh, Mr. Beck, how's it going?
Doing good.
So the car, somebody said you painted it or something. It looks the same to me.
I did the interior over. Now it's got a brand new interior.
Oh, let's take a look at it.
All right, come on over.
Wow.
When I originally built the car in 1985, we put a gray interior because that was the style at the time. Now it's all contemporary red. I've even had the dashboard pinstriped.
Hey, let's take a look inside there. Okay, so it's a cloth with the vinyl.
Yep.
Yeah, it looks wonderful. It smells great too.
Yep.
Hope we can get a focus on that. A good car guy always watches, looks at the headliner. Yep, you got it done.
How do you like that interior, Mike?
Oh, it looks great. All right, Mr. Beck, hey, thanks a lot.
Not a problem, thank you.
And we'll see you on Gearhead Live on YouTube.
Sounds great. We'll see you then.
All right, see ya.
Take care.